family, individuality, freedom, pressure, things that determine our daily life. There is no day in your life that passes without these factors influencing you in some way or the other, correct? There is no day. Think of this very day, today. This day couldn't have come to this hour without any of these factors, or maybe all of them, influencing you. Family, the sense of self, my individuality, the sense of freedom, that मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, मेरी मर्जी मुझे करने को क्यों नहीं हो रहा, and the sense of being limited, that there are so many pressures acting upon me. True? True? Any mention of resistance to individuality first assumes that there is an individuality. Am I right? Any mention of resistance to choice first assumes that there is a choice. Am I right? Am I right? Have we bothered to inquire into whether there is actually any individuality at all? Have we bothered to inquire into whether there is actually any choice at all? Before we say that I am an individual and the whole world is doing an injustice to me by imposing itself upon me, by curbing my individuality, have we bothered to understand whether we are an individual at all? If we are not an individual at all, there is the question of this big bad world trying to take away our individuality. आपके पास जो है ही नहीं, वो कोई आपसे छीन कैसे सकता है? It's like a beggar shouting upon the street that I have been robbed. एक भिखारी है, वो सड़क पे दौड़ रहा और चिल्ला रहा है कि मुझे लूट गया है, सारे पैसे लाखों करोड़ों चुरा लिए गए। तुम्हारे पास थे कब? तुम्हारे पास थे कब? Before you say that my freedom is being taken away, is it not worthwhile to inquire whether we were ever free? Is it not worthwhile to inquire that? Is it or is it not? If we are never free, where is the question of somebody enslaving us? Only a free man can be apprehensive of being enslaved. जो पहले ही रेडियो में है, उसको कौन बंधक बना सकता है? Are you getting? What is this individuality? We all complain कि मेरी मर्जी के मुताबिक कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. We all complain कि जो मैं चाहता हूँ वैसा नहीं हो पा रहा है. Choices, and the whole world is limiting my choices. Am I sure that I am an individual and these choices are my choices? I ask you a question. If you are an individual, if all of you, all 100 of you over here are individuals, is it not likely that on a matter of importance, we are likely to see unique choices, different choices? A batch of 500. 400 are eligible, that typical criteria of 60% throughout and all that. Out of these 400 eligible, how many do you think would apply to Infosys? Not less than 350. Am I right? Maybe 380 in fact, or 390. Where do we stand? What are we saying? Are we individuals? Are we individuals? Where is the question of choice as an individual? Where is the question of choice as an individual? What you call as your choice is a social choice, is a group choice, is a conditioned choice. Do you really have a choice? Are you really choosing? Are you really choosing? No. Then there is the question of somebody limiting your choice. जब तुम्हारी चॉइस है ही नहीं, तुम्हारी चॉइस कहीं बाहर से आ रही है, किसी ने तुम्हें सिखा दिया, जिसने तुम्हें चॉइस दी थी उसी ने तुमसे चॉइस छीन भी ली, न तुम्हारी थी न तुम्हारी रही। Where is the question of you losing your choice? And the nature of things is such that when the choice is really yours, no damn force in the whole world can deter you from getting it. If today you find that even as energetic young men and women, your choices are not being fulfilled, not being honored, it is because they are conditioned choices, they are not your choices at all. तुम्हारी होती तो कोई तुम्हें रोक नहीं सकता था. If today you find that at every step in life there is somebody who is dictating you, do this, do that, sometimes in the form of a person, sometimes in the form of a social convention, sometimes in the form of some tradition. If you find that there is always some force that is telling you, dictating you how to be, what to do, how to choose, then don't you see where you stand? Don't you see where you stand? If today, at every point, an external force is able to influence you, where is your choice? The next minute, there would be some noise outside the door and you will be distracted. Did you have a choice in that? Tell me. This very moment, one of you makes some silly comment or the voice of an animal. Half of you will start giggling. Do you really have a choice there? Can you tell yourself that I am attentive and I will not allow this external stimulus to affect me? Everything that is external is making you up. Where are you to make the choice? Tell me. Even in the most intimate matters of life, somebody else is deciding for you. It's not really you. Where are you? Where are you as an individual? Where is the question of you choosing? Where is the question of you choosing? You are standing outside and there were forces influencing you and there was so much of noise and rubbish. And you came in and there is another force that is affecting you and you are sitting here with pin drop silence. Where are you to make a choice? There is always somebody else who is affecting you, who is deciding you, who is dictating things for you. Is it not so? Even in matters where you think you are making a choice, you are acting out of conditioning. तुम सोचते हो कि तुम्हारी मर्जी है, वो मर्जी किसी और की होती है. This question of individuality being curbed by the family is a false question. It is a false question because real individuality can never be curbed by anybody. If it is being curbed, then it is fake, it is pseudo, it does not exist. Are you getting it? If you find that your decisions are not being honored by life, the reason is simple. They are not your decisions at all. Life has all the respect for you as a genuine person, as a genuine individual. But life has no respect for your fakeness. Life has all respect for somebody who is his own master. But life has no respect for slaves. And do you know what it means to be a slave? It means to act out of conditioning. To act out of somebody's impositions. Life will never respect you. And you will be left asking this question कि जो मैं चाहता हूँ कभी होता क्यों नहीं है? वो इसीलिए नहीं होता क्योंकि तुमने कभी चाहा ही नहीं है. Any small thing here or there is always able to affect you. तुम्हारी चाहत है कहाँ पे? कुछ बाहर से होता है, anything, any factor, and you are influenced. तुम हो कहाँ पे? तुम्हारा डिसीजन कहाँ पर है? one or two wise men amongst you very clearly said, we are here for attendance. तुम हो यहाँ पे. You have been pushed here so that you may get attendance. And I'm pretty sure they were a little courageous that they could say कि attendance के लिए है. कम से कम आधे लोग यहाँ पे ऐसे हैं जो attendance के लिए है. तुम अपनी मर्जी से तो इस रूम में भी नहीं आए हो. तुम अपनी मर्जी से इस रूम से बाहर भी नहीं जाओगे. जैसे ये पर्टिकुलर वक्त होगा तुम चले जाओगे. टाइम विल डिसाइड, यू विल नॉट डिसाइड. तुम अपनी मर्जी से डिसाइड करते क्या हो. And I'm not saying that as a rebuke. I'm saying that as a fact, as suggestion that I open up to you. I want to open up to you. Remember, I have said that we'll go into it together because it is your life. I do not know the facts of your life. Only you can inquire. Only you can ask yourself whether this is true. ठीक है ना? मैं कुछ नहीं जानता कि तुम्हारे साथ क्या चल रहा है, तुम्हारे घर में कौन है, तुम्हारी जिंदगी में क्या हो रहा है. तो वो इंक्वायरी तुम्हें खुद ही करनी है मेरे साथ. Do you understand this? Are you here with me till now? Do you feel sorry about all this? No, not at all. About being a slave, about acting out of conditioning, about not having a choice in life. Is there somebody who thinks that this is not how the life of a young person should be? Is there somebody, even one person who genuinely wants to get rid of all this? Even one person who thinks that this is not the way it should be and I need to be the master of my own life? Is there anybody here? Yes? So if 10, 20 hands are coming up, that is more than sufficient. कुछ 2-4 लोग भी ऐसे हों और जेन्युइन इतने ही होंगे, 1, 2, 4, इससे ज्यादा लोग जेन्युइन हो नहीं सकते. If you are really eager to understand this, then ask yourself and ask me so that we can explain.